Today I'm going to talk about digital token based electronic payment system. Before going into the depth of electronic payment system, let us see what is a digital token. The digital or electronic tokens are generated by the bank or some financial institutions. Hence, we can say that the electronic tokens are equivalent to the cash which are to be made by the bank. A token based payment system is one in which tokens are purchased from authorized vendors, may be used as credit in the purchase of goods and services. What is a digital token? What kind of tokens do we see in real life? Digital tokens can be e-cash, e-check, smart cards, and credit cards. What are the benefits of digital token based payment system to the buyer? So, talking from the buyer's perspective, convenience of global acceptance and a wide range of payment options, enhance security and reduce liability for stolen or misused cards, consumer protection through an established system of dispute resolution, convenient and immediate access to funds on deposit via debit cards, accessibility to immediate credit via credit cards. This leads to a happy customer. Talking from the seller's point of view, the benefits of digital token based payment system are speed and security of the transaction processing chain from verification and authorization to clearing and settlement, freedom for more costly labor, materials, and accounting services that are required in paper based processing, better management of cash flow, inventory, and financial planning due to swift bank payment, increasing purchase power on the part of the customer, cost and risk saving by eliminating the need to run an in house credit facility. Electronic payment system can be broadly divided into four general types as discussed already. They are online credit card payment system, electronic check, electronic cash, and smart card based electronic payment system. Let me talk about an example of eCash. eCash transactions are settled with the exchange of electronic currency. An example of online currency exchange is Google Wallet. If you look at the diagram, you can easily understand the concept. So, eCash is a substitute to the actual paper cash. So, the process which we are following would also be the same. So, step number one is that the bank is issuing the digital cash to a person A. The person A now can do a transaction with person B by sending the digital cash. In step number 3, the person B can ask for actual payment from the bank. eCash is a new concept in online payment system because it combines computerized convenience with security and privacy that improve on paper cash. It focuses on replacing cash as the principal payment medium. But in real world, cash is still the most used method of payment. We can find out the reason why cash is still the most popular payment system. Lack of trust in banking system, in some cases inefficient clearing and settlement of non-cash transaction, lack of training to use the alternative methods still makes paper cash the most used method of EPS. It has four properties. Monetary value, that is, it must be backed by either cash, bank authorized credit, or a bank certified cashier's check. It should be interoperable, that is, exchangeable between two or more entities. It should be storable and retrievable. eCash can be stored and then retrieved when needed. And the last one, being eCash, should not be easy to copy or tamper with when being exchanged. This includes preventing or detecting duplication and double spending. Hope this video helps you. Thank you.